Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. It's been a long day, and nothing feels better after a long day than climbing into bed with these amazing pillows. I've got to tell you about it. I gotta tell you, I'm not losing any sleep on these pillows. You know, when you get new pillows, it takes you a couple nights to get used to them. That is not the case with these beautiful pillows. I instantly loved them. And here are some things that I love about them. First of all, they're kind of firm pillows, which I like. I like that you can take off the cover and then you can even see what's on the inside. It's got this soft, squishy, foamy stuff. They are made of bamboo and they are hyperallergenic, which is amazing. So then you just zip it back up, you're ready to go. I was a little worried that it wouldn't fit in my standard pillowcase because they're a whole lot bigger than the flimsy pillows that I had. But I'm telling you, they fit in there perfect. I made my bed and they look gorgeous on there. I love, like I said, that they're firm and that they're going to sit up straight. So whether you're just using them to decorate or whether you're using them to actually sleep on, they're going to give you exactly what you need. So I want to tell you a little bit more about what these pillows are made of. You could see on the inside in the video that they have these little cross-cut memory foam pieces in there, and that is wonderful because that's going to prevent clumping that you get. Like I had my old cotton-filled pillows that would always clump up on and give you the most uncomfortable sleep ever. But these are not going to do that. They're going to stay firm. They came nicely packaged, and it only took maybe an hour for them to fully be ready to use. So these pillows are perfect. I absolutely love them. And now I don't think I could sleep without them, really. But that's just my point of view.